Greetings and welcome back to my channel. This is the Atari ST audio testing video. There's only one real way to test the audio out, the stereo out of an ST. I got it plugged into a boombox. The two RCAs out to a 3.5. Alright, well anyways, let's get to it. I made these custom mod discs a while ago. This is all floppy. Alright. The old boombox. The furnace is running. People are yelling, but hey. Alright. Still loading. There's overdrive. F10. Sounds pretty good to me. One thing I noticed about this ST is it has an incredibly good picture. So I must have put in some really good capacitors. Yeah. Anyways, she's running great. I'm going to order the new TOS and install that in about a week. And that should complete this little project. Once again, thanks for watching, man. So happy this ST is running and sounding great. Anyways, take care. Bye-bye.